Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show how to change countries in NordVPN to access content from different regions and enjoy a secure browsing experience. NordVPN is a leading, high-speed virtual private network service that secures our online browsing by encrypting traffic, hiding our IP addresses, and bypassing geo-restrictions using over 8,900 servers. It features a strict no-logs policy, Threat Protection Pro for malware and ad blocking, and works on all major platforms, protecting up to 10 devices. Changing countries on NordVPN lets us access content restricted to specific regions. It boosts our online privacy and helps us bypass geo-blocks for a safer and more flexible browsing experience. Let's go through the process together so everyone can follow along. First, we go to let's say we already have the NordVPN application, are subscribed to the premium plan, and have downloaded the application. Next, open the application. Since we already have the application, we just click, and this is the NordVPN application. We can see the map and easily locate all the countries we want to connect to. But before that, we need to log into our account here. Once logged in, we will see the secure connection option. For now, we are connected to Manila. If we want to connect to Afghanistan, we just double-click this one. That's it. Now, we are connected to Afghanistan. Our IP address is now from Afghanistan and not from the Philippines. If we want to change to another country, we simply choose a different one from the list. There are lots of choices. For example, let's double-click India. Just wait, and a pop-up message will appear saying that we are now connected to India. That's how easy it is to change countries in NordVPN. The purpose and benefits of using different countries on NordVPN include bypassing geo-restrictions, accessing content blocked in our region, and enjoying a more private browsing experience. Connecting through servers in other countries can also help improve connection speed, reduce online tracking, and test how websites appear in different locations. Switching servers lets us access content from different regions, improve connection options, and browse with more privacy. Always choose a trusted location and use VPN responsibly for the best experience. Explore safely and stay secure.